My name is Chad Ferris. I am the department chair for the Midland College Aviation department. We start out, it's a 5-semester long program. It's a total of 18 months. The general course is 1 semester long, and your airframe is 2 semesters, and then you have 2 semesters of power plant. During that time, we'll prepare you for your FAA written exams and your oral and practical examinations. And that's to earn your A&P certificate. That allows you to work on aircraft nationwide. So the way our classes are set up is you have a mixture of classroom instruction time and lab instruction time. So what we'll do is we'll go through the books, we'll read and learn about whatever we're working on, and then we'll go into the lab, we'll kind of get some hands-on, take that apart, see how it works, and then put it back together. Our current students range anywhere from 17 to 65 years of age. They come from all over. Yeah, just a wide variety of people that want to learn more about aviation. Some have their own aircraft and they want to learn more and learn how to maintain their aircraft, but the majority probably they want to go to work in the industry. And we're looking at probably a 20-year demand for A&P mechanics.